So first you want to ensure that your bananas are overripe. So afterwards I wash them, peel them, and place them in the blender. Alright, so I'm using 3 large overripe bananas. To that I am going to add some more ingredients. Now guys, I don't normally eat eggs, but I'm not making the banana bread for myself, so I make the person want it. Alright, so I added some sugar. Now you add the sugar to your taste, of course. So now I'm gonna add some oil. Now I'm adding about 3 tablespoons of oil, because you know the banana itself has the moisture, so you don't need to over add the oil. Alright, could also add some melted butter. Now I added some vanilla. Now I add 1/4 cup of milk. Afterwards I'm going to add an egg. Now I whisk the egg before I add it. Now I'm gonna blend and then I return. Alright, now this I have some flour, and I'm using all-purpose flour. Ensure that your flour, is nicely sifted. You don't want it to be lumpy. I added some baking soda. Afterwards I am going to add some salt, and you're gonna add the spices that you choose. All right, so what if you like freshly grated nutmeg, or you want to add some cinnamon powder? Now I added some mixed spice. That is what I had, so that is what I'm using. All right, now I'm gonna mix everybody together. Make sure it's nicely blended, and then I am going to add the wet into the dry mixture. All right, now if you like, you could mash a banana, but for me, blending the banana, it tastes good. But whatever way you like to do it, then your kitchen, so do it the way you like it. Alright, so I'm just add the mixture, and then I'm doing the cotton fold method. You want to ensure that it's fully mixed. Alright, you don't want some part mixed and then the flour, clumpy, and all of that. You don't want to get a banana bread, and when you cut it, to see the whole of flour in it. No guys, that wrong. Alright, so do your cut and form method, and mix until you have a nice smooth batter. However, you don't want your batter to be over mixed. Alright, you just want to mix it nicely but not over mixed. Okay, so just mix nice. You don't need to add any more liquid, y'all. We added enough liquid already, and you don't need no more. Right? Here I have my love pan. Now I'm adding a little oil. I like to use my hands just to coat the pan with the oil. However, you could use like anything you like. Alright, so if you don't want to touch it, guys, your kitchen, so do whatever you want to do. Here's a pastry brush, but make sure to do the old school way, so yeah, I use my clean hands. Alright, now make sure you grease it nicely, and then before you add it into the pan, you want to ensure that you give it one nice little mix again to ensure that it's fully mixed out. Okay, now I'm gonna add it into the loaf pan, and make sure you preheat your oven, guys. You have to preheat your oven. Well, I preheated my oven to 170 degrees Celsius. Now it will be baked for 1 hour, but about 15 minutes of baking, you want to ensure that you check your banana bread. Okay guys, you don't want it to be over baked. You want it to be baked fully, but at the same time you don't want to over bake your banana bread. Alright, so make sure you add all your butter into the pan, guys. You don't want to waste nothing, and then you want to give it a nice to pat, so you level everything in the pan, and then you're gonna place it in your prepared oven. Now the banana bread is out of the oven, y'all, and it is so soft and nice. Even though it's hot, guys, me have to make you know what it feel. Alright, so thank you so much for watching. I'm going to big up on myself straight.